Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Momo Motor. You can see here today I have Realme subsidiaries brand Narzo 10. You can see here this is the box packaging, and number one quality smartphone brand is written at the very top of the box. At the back side you can see some of the specifications are mentioned over here. So main highlight is 48 megapixel AI quad camera. It is powered by Helio G80 and 18 watt quick charging support is there, and it has 5000 mAh use battery as well. So I'm just going to give you quick overview what you will get inside the box. And before that I like to inform you that this phone is going to be priced at very aggressive price tag in this big billion sale. So you should look this latest video of this particular mobile phone. So you will be getting few things in the box. Just I'm going to give you an overview. So first of all, you can see this is you know extra box inside the box, in which you will be getting this one cover. You can see this is transparent cover here, and this is SIM ejector pin, you can see, and nothing else. This is a device itself, so I'm just going to take it out of the box. And apart from that, you are just getting a charger, which is usually you see in the box Realme, that is there in the box. Main thing which I want to focus on is this device. So you can see the build quality and design of this phone is very nice. You can see this parallel lines, uh, vertical lines are there, which is reflecting in a very better way. So you can see the look of the phone is very modern. At this side you are getting here a plastic, but you will feel that it is rounded by metal. So main highlights, obviously it has four cameras over here. So this is 48 megapixel main camera. Here you can see this is the flash. This is fingerprint sensor. At the very bottom you can see this is 3.5 mm jack. This has dual mic, I mean noise cancellation mic is already placed at the bottom. And it has this charging uh, port, which is supposed to be type C, which is one of the best thing. You can see here it has type C support. And speaker grill at the very top, there's nothing, because this noise cancellation mic is placed at the bottom. So at the very top side there's nothing at all. At this side you can see this is power button, and at this left side you can see volume rockers along with this sim ejected tray. So overall I'll say the build quality of the device is very nice. It's sturdy, it's handy, it's slim. Even though it has 5000 mAh battery, but weight of this device is very less, I'll say. So overall I'll say I would like to give you an overview of the specifications, which is already there on the Flipkart. So you can see this is the device I'm talking about. So it has 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel of camera at the back side, and 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt quick charging. It has 16 megapixel of selfie camera, which is very nice in quality. I have already checked that. And it is powered by Helio G80. It has fingerprint sensor, 6.5-inch HD display, which has a mini droplet design. And of course it has master design slash proof also. I mean a little bit of water damage, it will be protected from that. If you are just splashing a drop of water on the phone, that will automatically reflect on this device. So I'm just going to boot it up now. So you can see Realme logo powered by Android, which is written at the very bottom. So it is running on Android 10, on the latest version of Android 10, which is also very nice thing. So Realme logo in yellow color. So first of all, I'll say this is one of the best device. You can get it from offline market as well. So because this Narzo is made for online and offline on for both platforms. So I'm just going to open this pattern. I'll not show that to you. So I'll you know giving you the specifications, what this is. So you can see this is display, and it seems to be very nice 6.5-inch display. And if I'll go inside the settings of this particular device, you will see the details of this device. uh, it has Realme Lab in which you can change some modes of your display. About phone, I would like to go in this site. So you can see the name of the device is already mentioned, that is Realme Narzo 10. It is running on Android 10, 4 gigs of RAM, and it has 128 gigs of internal storage, which is again one of the highlight of this particular device. So at the very budget price segment, you are getting here 128 GB of internal storage, which is also one of the main highlight of this Narzo 10. I hope it was quick, but it was quite informative video for you. And if you really found it very informative for you, just please hit like button on this video. And this time, friends, I request you that don't forget to hit subscribe button as well, because I need that. I really need that. So just from your side, your support. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye till that time of time.